Racing just is started. We have Donya Nekasha. Break quickly at the start. And on the outside is Scotts Delight. Heartstrong in between horses. Chicks. Two chicks getting the white strip as they make the first turn. Down on the inside is Humble Pie. Then comes Firm Grip. While G.I. Jane is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Donya Nekasha, Cat's Delight, Heartstrong is racing in third, Chicks to Chicks, Humble Pie, G.I. Jane, while Firm Grip now racing in last back to the leader, Donya Nekasha, Cat's Delight is on the outside, 2 lengths back in third comes Heartstrong, Humble Pie comes next, Chicks to Chicks, G.I. Jane, while Firm Grip is still racing in less than at the fourth turn, we have Donya Nekasha by about 3/4 of a length lead. Cat's Delight in second. Heartstrong. Then here comes Humble Pie now trying to get closer in third. Chicks to Chicks. G.I. Jane and Firm Grip. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Cat's Delight now takes command. Donya Nekasha is running by the rail. Humble Pie, Chicks to Chicks. Last 100 meters. We have Cat's Delight by about 2 lengths. Donya Nekasha, Humble Pie is on the outside. Chicks to Chicks. And finally, the curtain closer. Cat's Delight. Donya Nekasha. Then comes Humble Pie, Chicks to Chicks. G.I. Jane and Firm Grip comes in last.
Alright, nakapulot itong si Apprentice Peter John A. Guse kay Cat's Delight. Then masisigunduhan numero 2, Donya Nekasha. 6, Humble Pie.